Welcome to GSL GM City 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're looking at the brand new 2020 Chevrolet Traverse LT. This vehicle is powered by the 3.6 liter V6, made it up to the 9-speed automatic transmission, and of course is all-wheel drive. Once inside the very luxurious Traverse LT, we do have the power windows and power mirrors, power trunk button all the way down there. We do have our automatic headlights and fog light button down there. We do have the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with your cruise control, Ford collision warning, speak to talk, and your dash controls piloted from your steering wheel. Only 7 kilometers on the odometer here, as it is a brand new Traverse. We do have the 8-inch touchscreen for your nav, OnStar navigation, climate controls, Apple CarPlay there. We do have the heated seats as well, USB, automatic shifter knob. We do have our dial here for our drive terrain, jet black interior with the gold stitching. We do have the awesome cloth heated seats as well. Very rugged, durable, and very comfortable. Beautiful. Now moving on to the exterior of the Traverse, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Bridgestone all-season tires on there. We do have the color-matched door handles and mirror caps. We have the roof rails up top already installed. Keyless entry, remote start. Vehicle is all-wheel drive. We do have LED headlights, daytime running lamps at front, and LED tail lamps back here as well. Black Chevy bow ties on the front and rear. Dual chrome exhaust tips coming out of the rear. The power tailgate. We do have the backup camera as well as the trailer tow hitch already installed. Moving back into the interior here, we do have the cloth captain's chairs in the second row. Beautiful, nice and cloth. We got the different textures. They are car seat ready as well. Hooks on the back and everything. We do have the climate controls back here, USB outlets. We have dome lighting and AC vents coming out from the roof. We do have the option to, that lever puts the seat up and forward, giving you tons of room to give it access to your third row. A 60-40 cloth split back there. Both seats do fold nice and flat. We do have the rubberized mats in the vehicle already as well, keeping your carpets nice and clean. Slides right back in, just as it was before, as well as the seats do fold down nice and flat. See the car seat adapter hook already good to go. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video of the brand new 2020 Chevrolet Traverse LT. If this is your next SUV, come down and see us here at GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail Southwest, or at gslgmcity.com.